Welcome to my Christmas holiday mix. Come on in and get wowed by some of the talented ladies who will share how they plan, decorate, host, and entertain for the holidays. Lots of tips and inspiration from beginning to finish. So sit back and take notes. It's going to be a great ride for many years to come. And here are my co-hosts. Kimberly, red and white decor extraordinaire, one of the best collaborators out there. And if you want thrifting and hauls, she got you. Kenya, tablescapes decor. Kenya is one of the versatile decorators on the team. Juani does it all. Hauls, cooking, decor, you want it? Juani will deliver. We also have the Dream Team joining us for this collaboration. 12 talented sisters will be sharing their tips and ideas to better prepare you for your holidays. The Dream Team participation will vary each week depending on their availability. Homebody with Forlisa. Angelic Interior Designs by Chanel. The Glamorous Penny Pincher. T&B Designs. Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. Styled by Kira. Decorating with Barbara, and Val's Glamorous Castle Decor. And welcome to week 3 in a Christmas holiday mix collaboration. Today, the featured host will be Kenya for Kenya's Decor Corner. And today, her collaboration is how to entertain your guests for the holidays. If you're interested on tips on how to get your guest room ready, bathroom, a coffee bar, party ideas, stay tuned. So today, I decided to show you for this collaboration how I prepare for my Christmas parties. It starts from gifts to room setup. So let's get started. Here's where I store gifts throughout the year that are at bargain prices during the previous year holiday sales or just throughout the year in general. This serves as birthday gifts, anniversary, or Christmas. It is here that I pull for my gift bags. Okay, so one of the things that I like doing when I prep for a party is prep my gift bags for my guests. And basically, I prepare this a way ahead of time in the beginning of the year by collecting certain things from Dollar Tree, from Big Lots, and from sales and during Black Friday of the previous year to use as gifts for my guests when they come for my holiday parties. These are some of the things that I normally put in depending on what my theme is this year. Is comfort and joy, and basically what that is, comfort kind of things that I put in there that you can enjoy with your significant other or your family through the fireside and just drink hot chocolate or write out Christmas cards or wrap presents, that kind of thing. We have here different items. Here we have the Dollar Tree ornaments. We have some of the gift items that I purchased out of my gift closet. If you haven't seen my gift closet video, I will link that in the iCard above. And then we have cards here that I purchased the year before and chocolate bars. Sometimes I put cookies, but it depends. And then we have the gift bags. Now these gift bags I purchased from Amazon last year. They're just your basic gift bags. I like these because the handle is sturdy and they're a nice size. They were $50 for about $20 or so. But it's a great size. I love the width of it because you can put big things in here. And the bottom is very, very sturdy. And the handle is sturdy. So I like that. And then we have some wrapping paper from Dollar Tree. These cards came from Big Lots, and they're gorgeous glittered cards that you can get for Big Lots for a little of $5. That's what I like about it. And when they go on sale at the end of the season, they're even cheaper. They go down to like a $2.50 or $3. And then Big Lots also have these chocolate bars that I removed the paper and put our little candy wrapper paper on here, and each one of them get a chocolate bar. These ornaments are gorgeous from Dollar Tree. They did a very good job. Each year they get better and better. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love that. And here's another one that I like. I have a total of 25 gift bags to do, and these are the last 5 here. So I'm going to put these together and then I will show you what they look like afterwards. These gift bags are for many people that come by our home, especially those people who does professional services, lawn care services, a mailman, UPS, things in that nature. Then we have unexpected guests who may come by, and it could be couples or what have you. Just want to come by and say happy holidays, how you doing? So how I distinguish between these different gift bags, I use holiday stickers. For instance, trees are for couples, then snowflakes are for the professional services. And then for those unexpected guests, there's just your generic bags that I put stickers in, or gift tags, or thank you cards and things in that nature. Here are some quick tips for party planning that you may use for your party preparation. Hosting a party can be easy if you start with a plan. A party planner will keep you organized and less stressed. I have everything I need in my event planner, from a weekly checklist to a recipe with delicious appetizers, a buffet setup templates, and even rental equipment lists for those items that are too large to store in my home. Food preparation is another area that is best planned. Having a list already prepared for your grocery items saves a lot of time and money. I prepare my foods by recipe and separate it with plastic bins. Each bin has its own recipe card and ingredients prepped in the fridge 3 days before the event. This way, if I overlook an ingredient or I need more for a recipe, I have the time to grab it before the event. There is nothing more stressful than having to run out to the store to get an ingredient right before a party starts. I do the same thing with my libations. A house wine is chosen for each event, and basic liquors are always stored in the bar. All we need to purchase are chasers, a house cocktail drink need to be made, and fruit for garnish. Entertainment, such as a DJ, games, and photo shoots, are another area you may want to consider for your party preparations. Here's a great tip when hosting a Christmas event or any party event. I always rearrange my furniture to better serve a large crowd. My buffet is always on a separate area from the area where my guests will gather. It creates a better traffic flow. Another thing I do is borrow furniture from other areas of the home. The kitchen, family room, and entertainment furniture are neutral colors. Even the foyer furniture can be borrowed for sufficient seating. Okay, this is what we have so far. So I put some artwork up there at the top there. That's a sleigh in black and white. And I put the 2 chairs here and the side table in the center. And right above the niche there, I had put 3 lanterns here with the Harlequin design. And then across from that, we have the larger lantern here with the Harlequin design. Over in the theater area, we set up 2 cocktail tables with 6 seating, and then also there are 3 theater seating for 3 more people. I want to thank you for joining us for another collaboration. Don't forget to check out the playlist in the description box below for more Christmas ideas and inspiration. Don't forget to come back next Friday for another fabulous Christmas collaboration. Until then, see you at 7 a.m. on Friday. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more videos like this from me and the Dream Team. Until the next video, 7 a.m., see you then. Smooches!